Hello friends, in this video we will show you how to install our Power BI connector for HubSpot. This connector is written in PHP and can be installed in two ways. On a server, a virtual private server for example, or a serverless architecture. In this case, we will use a serverless architecture because it is much easier and faster. We will do this using DigitalOcean functions. My name is Javier Núñez. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me by email or WhatsApp. Now, one of our engineers will show you how to do it.
Good. The first thing we have to keep in mind is that when using DigitalOcean functions, we will have to make some small modifications to the code to make it compatible with how DigitalOcean functions works. To begin the installation, the first thing we will do is log into our DigitalOcean account and go to the Functions menu on the left side. Then we will create a new namespace. We will select the data center that best suits us. In our case, we will leave the one that comes by default. We will define a label, or leave the default one and then click on Create Name. We click on Actions and then on Create Function. We select the PHP 8.2 option. We choose a name for the function, for example, Power BI HubSpot Connector. We have to make sure that the Web Function option is activated and click on Create. With that, we have created our function within DigitalOcean. Now we paste the connector code inside the function in DigitalOcean. We will first copy the main code from the index.php file, which goes inside the main function. We copy the getRecords function above the main function. Now what we have to do is modify the way headers are obtained in DigitalOcean functions. We change the A in authorization to lowercase, since that is how DigitalOcean functions reads the headers. Then we modify the way the arguments are obtained. To do this, we will pass the arguments that come in the args variable to the request variable using the array filter function to pass only the parameters that are scalars. At the end of the main function, we will modify the way the function ends. What remains pending is to copy the auth function, which we will copy exactly over the getRecords function. The auth function is optional. Now click on Save. If you need to allocate more resources to the function, you can increase the timeout and memory limits here. We recommend a timeout of at least 10 seconds and a memory of at least 512 megabytes. Now we copy the URL of the function and paste it into Power BI to check that everything works. We are going to modify a deal in HubSpot to check that everything is working. Now we update the data in Power BI. Finally, we see that the modification is reflected in Power BI. Ready! You now have the connector installed and working. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, activate the bell, leave us your comments, and share this video. See you in the next video.